So I'm going to try and make a gist of the second section of this article, which is called Dating Prehistoric Man, Not as Awkward as It Sounds. So, as exciting as this title is, it is not the main idea of the section. The section mainly talks about two things. The first technique it talks about is radiometric dating, and the next technique it talks about is stratigraphy. And then the section concludes and brings both those techniques together. So I'll try to write that in one sentence. So let me just check the word count in that. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So just below 10, the ideal word count for a gist in the CSR strategy. But I want to add the word paleontologists here. So that's also within the word count. Um, I know that the section mainly talks about human fossil dating, and what it says is that it brings both those techniques together to uh, increase precision of the dating. So I'll say maybe accurately. So for accurate fossil dating, and use both radiometry and stratigraphy for accurate fossil dating. All right, so that's my gist for the second section.
My 10-word gist for this section is radiometric dating and stratigraphy are used to create fossil records. Before I came up with this gist, I had a sentence which was way more than 10 words, which summed up the three elements that I figured were the main parts of this section. The part about fossil records and why they are created. They're created to identify the time period of a fossil's existence, and the two methods that are used to create, and some of the methods that are used to create fossil records, which are radiometric dating and stratigraphy. Now I eliminated all the other information. What are fossil records? Why are they used? Who makes them? Are they easy? Are they tough? And I really focused on the bulk of what section was telling me, and that was that the two types, radiometric dating and stratigraphy, I used to create fossil records, and I eliminated the meaning of the fossil records, who creates them, etc., from my gist to make sure it fit under 10 minutes, under 10 words.
Here is my 10-word gist. Radiometric dating and stratigraphy are some ways of dating fossils. It was actually tricky to to just keep it to 10 words. I also wanted to put in who is it used by. So the previous gist that I had made, which was a little bit longer, was radiometric dating and the stratigraphy methods are used by paleontologists to find the age of the fossil. But in order to stick to the rule of having 10 words in my gist, I then finalized on the previous one.
It took me a few trials to come to my 10-word gist. I started with this gist. To find out the year of a fossil is not an easy job, but I felt this gist did not talk entirely about the section. So then I tried this. Complex fossil study by paleontologists suggests man has been around longer than previously known. But this was going way beyond the 10 words. So I reread a sentence, it took a few words out. And then I arrived at my 10-word gist. Fossil study indicates humans have been around longer than known.